Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your phone and computer for compatibility and power. Use a USB-C or Lightning data cable that supports data transfer and 5V2A charging. Verify the computer has a USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 port available for tethering. On your phone, update to the latest OS like Android 10 or iOS 14 to ensure tethering stability. Back up any important work before connecting the device. Close unused apps to reduce battery drain and background data usage. Connect the phone to the computer using the cable and unlock the phone. On Android, open Settings, Network, and enable USB tethering in the Connections menu. On iPhone, open Settings, Personal Hotspot, and turn on Allow others to join, then trust the computer. Wait up to 30 seconds for the computer to recognize a new network adapter. If prompted, install drivers from the phone or manufacturer prompt on Windows. Confirm the computer shows a new wired network connection and test browsing to verify connectivity. Monitor performance and battery while tethering because mobile data can deplete batteries quickly. Expect practical speeds up to 100 Mbps depending on cellular signal and USB port capabilities. If speeds are slow, switch ports from USB 2.0 to USB 3.0 or move the phone to get better signal. Disable tethering when finished to save battery and stop unwanted access to your data. If the connection fails, try a different certified data cable or reinstall USB network drivers on the computer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.